Ladies and gentlemen,
Aha.
very formal today. Good day.
Good day. Good day. So today we are headed to going a few hours south, down near Naples. That's actually past Naples, closer to Everglades City, to Collier-Seminole State Park. First time there. It's hotter than you know what outside, so hopefully we don't melt. But we plan on doing some paddleboarding and trying to be in the water.
So glad Mo has air conditioning.
Oh my gosh, we may just sit inside Mo and watch movies.
We should have brought cards.
Just to get out of the heat. So join us and we'll show you the park.
All right, guys.
All right, we're still on the way down to the camping. This is when we said we're gonna melt. This is why.
Top right-hand corner, it's officially 100 degrees.
Outside. Not in here. But then you add the heat index that we are in right now, and I think it's, which is 1 to 99. It's getting cooler.
Oh, thank God.
This is the tent loop. That's the loop we're in because we have a little bitty micro camper. And we're in site 8. There's not many people here. Only one other camper because it is hot. Little walkway to the bathhouse.
It's like a very nice bathhouse.
It does look like a nice bathhouse. Maybe we should just stay in the bathhouse.
I'm not sure it's okay.
Oh. Alright, here's the other side of the campground.
This is the non-tent side.
The non-tent, yeah.
The RV side. It's just parking lot.
There's not a lot of shade here. There's people braving it though.
So check it out. We're in the parking lot and the rain is coming straight at us. Here it comes. Here it comes.
All right, what was cool though is that it was raining in the water, but we couldn't figure out what it was because it wasn't raining on us.
It was like, why is the water all sparkly and bubbly?
All right, well I guess we'll have to do video of the boat ramp a little later.
Yeah.
So this is the canoe and kayak launch. And there's a boat launch over there, and they also rent canoes. So this is where we're gonna go off tomorrow. And water's really calm right now. And we're gonna head right down that trail down there. So, yay. So we're in the parking lot at the little boat ramp area, and Joel said this place looks fishy.
It does look fishy.
So we went and got the fishing pole. Throw out a couple lines.
The sun's behind the clouds. It's not.
I know, right? Feels much better. Joel thinks he got something.
I know.
He knows.
Come on, jump, little snooky jump. Yay!
Yay!
All right, this is a little baby snook. Come here, bub. Come on, I know. Up. Don't give me the hook.
Yay!
This is a baby snook. I told you this place was fishy.
Uh-huh.
So you can tell it's a snook because it has that really solid black line.
Uh-huh.
He's so cute.
Ah!
It's like a bass on steroids. They're smart and they're strong. And on this side of their face, they've got this gill plate. It's like a razor blade, so you can't touch that.
Don't do
He's
that.
so cute.
Awesome.
All right, go back, have fun. See you, little snooky.
Awesome. It's been a long time since you've caught a snook.
I've not caught a snook in a long time.
I know.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Well,
all right, now that you got your fingers from smelling like fish.
they did smell like fish. I wash them. There's a hose right there.
There's a hose. We got lots of soap.
I wash them.
So what are we making for dinner?
Tonight we're making cheesesteaks in the fire dish
Yes.
with some mac and cheese.
Yum.
So, yeah.
Not on my diet, but one of my favorites.
Right?
Yep.
It's gonna be delicious.
Yep.
So, after dinner, the plan is we're gonna go to the beach here at Marco Island because they have the Sahara dust that we can't see, but apparently makes the sunset look beautiful. So we're gonna go find out.
Hopefully, there's not too many clouds. There's kind of clouds.
It's gonna be gorgeous.
Yes.
Fresh fingers.
And we have arrived at Marco Beach.
Marco
Island Beach. Yes. We are gonna attempt to go watch the sunset. A lot of people down here.
Looks a little orange already.
I know.
What you gonna do, Aim?
I'm gonna go in the water.
All right.
I heard it's like 90 degrees in backwater.
Careful you don't melt because you're made of sugar. Oh, this feel good.
Seriously, backwater.
Yeah. This feel nice.
Huh?
Does feel nice.
It does feel nice. We brought our bathing suit.
And my fishing pole.
Maybe this is where we'll end up tomorrow.
There you go. Could be. Too cold.
Too cold. 90 degrees is too cold, huh?
It's your phone. It's your phone. You get it as wet as you want.
Hey guys!
What's going on?
We are spending some time in Mo tonight. Mo is our camper for those of you new watching.
Yes.
We just got back from watching the sunset at Marco Island Beach.
We did. We saw a shark like 10 feet from shore.
Yeah, we did.
Yep.
And it was a great sunset. But we got back to the campsite and it was very, very buggy, very mosquito-y.
Yeah, hot, humid, and just bugs, mosquitoes, like crazy.
So we decided that, you know what, we've been wanting to spend more time inside the camper, and so we're gonna do that tonight. We're gonna watch a movie or maybe listen to music.
There you go.
Don't know.
No,
So
we've got air conditioning and no bugs except for the
few that there's one right there. I see. I gotta.
it made it in.
Yeah.
So just to give you an idea of where we're at, we're about 10 miles north of the Everglades. So all the bad movies you've seen with rattlesnakes and alligators and mosquitoes, that is exactly where we are. So, and tomorrow morning we're going to go back on the paddle boards and have another great day, maybe catch another snook.
Yes.
So we'll have lots of time outdoors tomorrow, but for tonight, we're in Mo.
All right. So we'll see everybody tomorrow.
Yeah, my feet look big.
I know. I love having them in the video. I was thinking about that. Let's put them out. Nobody wants to see your feet.
Pardon my big feet.
So, all right. So we'll see everybody tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Bye.
Bye.
All right, we are paddling. We don't know what this is called, but paddling a trail. Don't paddle because I'm not paddling. You'll get too far away. So it's this big long strip. I think it's a couple miles this way, and then we break off into a branch to where we have to decide to go right or left. And that is a river, I think. I have to look at what it's called. But this water is so different than what we're used to. It's probably 6 feet deep,
Very dark.
And very dark.
Can't see the bottom at all.
I know, it's a little scary. I'm wondering what's gonna jump up at me.
Creature from the Black Lagoon.
So, yeah, but it's gorgeous, it's hot. As we've stated 16 million other times, so sorry. This is cool, huh?
Like Costa Rica.
I know. I just told Joel I was thinking that I was waiting for a crocodile to come jumping out.
I think it's where she said go left.
Okay. There are these bugs out here. They're loud.
They are loud. It sounds like a, I don't know.
Swarm.
A swarm of something, yes. Definitely a swarm of something.
Yes.
But it's super cool. It's hot, but the shade's nice.
You gotta stop saying it's hot. They know it's hot.
Oh, it's not hot at all. It's downright chilly.
Hold off for a mangrove. And look at what we got crawling. Let's just hope they don't fall from the sky and land on us. All right. We have tied off to some mangroves. Not really tied off, but
Half tied, half holding on to.
trying to get a break, get out of the sun.
Yeah, have a beverage.
But nothing's going right. These crabs, I'm afraid, are going to fall on my head. So we'll sit here for a few minutes and
have we said it's buggy out here?
sweat our butts off. I swear I feel like I'm in the jungle.
Yeah, truly. Yeah, this is like Mexico, Costa Rica, someplace far south. I can't
You know,
see my glasses.
sorry.
My glasses are fogged up. I can't see the phone even. My glasses are so fogged up.
So it's funny, we go down a few hours south of Tampa and all of a sudden we feel like we're in this whole other world.
We thought Tampa was hot. It's insane down here. So it's all right. It's good. We're still outside.
Yes, enjoying the day.
Yep.
Trying to.
Yeah. All right, so we were fortunate to have an outgoing tide with us on the way out, but we knew on the way back it'd be more difficult, and it is. So we had no choice. We typically try to go out with a tide and come back with a tide, but we didn't have a choice today, so fighting the current on the way back, and if we don't get back there, well, it's been nice knowing you guys.
Hi.
Hey guys.
We are back at the campsite.
Hello.
Just got off the paddle boards and brought them back here to the site.
Yep. And we have made the executive decision that we're
Ready? Tap it out.
tapping out. Not that we couldn't go another night, but we don't really have much else planned this afternoon, and just decided.
Normally we would sit at the campsite and enjoy this, but
bugs and heat. We made the decision that instead of hanging out in the heat today, we're going to head home tonight. That's one great thing about Mo, is that you can pack up and get out, and you can pack up and get home really quick. So pack up, get home, and then tomorrow we're going to take out Mac. Mac
is our new Ginu.
Our new Ginu, and the name may change. We'll see, but at this point it's Mac, which stands for
Mini Adventure Craft.
Mini Adventure Craft.
I say that wrong every time, so I got it right.
Yay, Amy! So so the plan is pack up real quick, get out of here, go home, and tomorrow take out Mac for a new adventure.
Yep. So
stay tuned.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, at least the tour of Collier-Seminole Park and the waters and all of the stuff that we did today and yesterday.
Yep, and no snook today.
No snook, but you got one yesterday.
Yep.
So please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
See you guys.
Bye. Make
Bye.
it a glorious day.